This is a Citizens Coalition for Change team in Masvingo Rural, where they are mobilizing for change, where they are meeting and gathering, gearing up for change. This is a rural constituency, a rural area where mobilization, a massive mobilization is happening. We have also seen massive mobilization happening in Bikita, in Zaka, in Buhera, and other surrounding areas in Masvingo, which shows that Advocate Chamisa, a political organization, CCC, is gathering momentum in each and every ZANU-PF dominated area. This is what is angering the regime. This is what is angering the gatekeepers who believe or who think that they are entitled to power until the last day. This is commendable, and we commend the Citizens Coalition for Change Champions to continue gathering, to continue mobilizing, and to continue working for change. Let us register in our numbers. Let us elect big. Let us win big, and make sure that we are ready to defend the vote come 2023. Dial *265 on your Econet line and see whether you are registered to vote or not. It's as simple as that. Or if you are on internet, you go on to ZEC BVR inspection and you are able to inspect whether you are a registered voter or not. Please note that if you voted in the year 2013 and you didn't vote or register in 2017 up to this day, know that you are not in the voters roll and you have to go and register to vote. So it's simple. If you are not in Zimbabwe, check through the online BVR inspection site, or if you are in Zimbabwe, use *265# and you'll be able to see whether you are registered or not.